My heartily and supreme namaskarams to all of you. My name is Nerala Malyadri. I have been practicing as an advocate of Honorable Supreme Court and High Courts of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana after my retirement voluntarily as a district judge. We have been in last 4 videos discussing about online classes and practical examinations for science students. We know very well that what is worrying is, can we be paid enough to understand of writing an exam which decides our future without attending the classes, especially science students of doing practical examinations and scientific investigations in the laboratories. In fact, due to this pandemic, neither the students nor the lecturers touched even a single equipment in their science laboratories. How can they write a practical examination? It's very difficult. Of course, rescheduling of exams is not of much use. Many universities, high schools, they offer laboratory courses in support of science lecture courses. So after lecture of a particular subject, there shall be laboratory course or laboratory experience which offers the opportunity for students to interact with and manipulate instruments and materials in order to explore scientific theories. The importance of maintaining student safety in laboratory settings has to be emphasized. Safety in a laboratory setting is the prime and most important aspect. Once it is done, then rest of it can be taken care of. Then what are the laboratories that are available now for a student who has been facing COVID-19 pandemic and also attending only online classes? For online classes, either you have to just adjust with the practicals that are shown to you through the videos online, like how the classes are conducted by the schools in their laboratories by the concerned teachers, science teachers or so. In some cases, the teachers are also not going and attending the classes in the practical side by doing practical examinations or tests in the laboratories. So the only option is the lecturers explaining by showing some instruments of how a practical of a theoretical aspect has to be conducted. But nowadays, many private labs are coming which give experience of real lab learning. These private labs are based on the idea that lab experiments can be taught using the internet more efficiently and less expensively. The labs can also be made available to students with no access to physical labs or where equipment is not available owing to being scarce or costly. This helps them compete with the students in better equipped schools and bridges the digital divide and geographical distances. The experiments can be accessed anytime and anywhere, overcoming the constraints on time felt when having access to the physical lab for only a short period of time. The better equipped schools or colleges or even for higher studies in universities, they can conduct the experiments in the lab online and show it to their students. What about the others whose schools are not equipped in a better way? It's difficult. So they can hire these private online labs which really give real experience in some of the subjects like chemistry, botany and zoology. They can improve their skills by approaching these private labs. In physics, chemistry, biology, the labs, especially for students from 9th to 12th class, they are very much useful. They can have interactive simulations, animations, and lab videos. They can understand the concepts and understanding of the experiment. They can achieve the ability to perform, record, and learn experiments from anywhere, anytime, and individualized practice in all areas of experimentation. The learning enabled assessment through the facilities available in the private labs in the assessment of the procedural and manipulative skills of the experiment, the concepts and understanding of the experiment, and a student's reporting and interpreting skills. The development of these private labs includes the study and use of mathematical techniques to demonstrate the various complex functions in diverse areas of science. Likewise, actually these procedures and information, lab equipment, everything, visualization and development of the graphical symbols are done by private labs basing on realistic situations and compared with the respective real equipment. They are having various authoring tools, thus recreating and simulating a real lab environment. But that is not a substitute for actual and physical touching the equipment in their science laboratories. So, a moving laboratory or a laboratory that is equipped with all facilities or equipments which can be touched by the students can be invented or assembled or made for the use of the students in a better and practical way, so that the students can have a practical and real experience instead of virtual understanding of it. Then the students cannot say that they are not having experience of practical conducting examinations. Please subscribe the channel if you like.